Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you some solutions that I have found for a technical problem. Watch the video, and if it helps you, I would appreciate your support by subscribing to my channel. Thank you. See you later. Bye. The video help you? I hope it did, and if it did really, please consider subscribing my channel. I would appreciate your support in this lovely weather. See you later again. Bye.